Welcome back to my leftover series. We are going to be diving into all things pink and Christmas and how to turn junk mail into fun Christmas journals. Well, let's start with what I've been working on for the past couple of days, my little pink journal. Now, remember where this came from. It came from junk mail. This is from my neighbor. It's a quad fold piece of junk mail. Now, if you don't get cold junk mail, talk to your neighbors. Maybe they do. And so they always save it for me. And what I did was I trimmed it a little bit, if you remember. And here's the finished project. Look at the bow. My girlfriend just brought this over for the studio last week. She's, I don't know, could you use this pink bow? And at the time, I wasn't even working on this. And look, it's the perfect color. So it's a beautiful satin ribbon. So on the front cover, I just added a little fun little, what do you call that? A little cluster of stuff on the front. And then you saw the video that I did yesterday of all the fun stuff that I've put inside with belly bands and side tucks and then little tiny parts. And we also used a junk mail envelope. So we're all into the junk mail and we've stuffed that. And then we have our 3 little pockets. So how I finished the back, let me show you the back. Okay, so on the back, I used a piece from the papers and made a wide pocket and then added one of the vintage Christmas pieces and all the little stuffings that we put in there. I didn't put anything on that one, but then I made another angle pocket and added a beautiful piece of doily. I just thought that was fun. And then, put all of the fun little pieces of ephemera that I gave you. And then this is from my pink parfait kit. It was a Bible verse. So I thought, let's put that in there. So that's how the journal turned out. I think it's gorgeous. I hope that you agree. And we'll close this back up. And we'll put the ribbon back on it. Now, I had mentioned that I was thinking about creating a new pink digital kit. And guess what? I was able to get it done. I've been very busy, worked till late last night, but I think you're going to be really excited. I got some more of these vintage fun pink graphics that I showed you in the freebie, and there's a few in my little golden book ABC journal kit. And I ended up making us a new kit. And what I wanted to show you is that last year I had a kit called Pretty in Pink, okay? And that was 34 pages. And it was more probably, I would say, contemporary style. And it's pinks and like teals. And so here's some of the things that I made last year just to show you all the fun stuff. Now this is made from, that's just an accordion. But see the gorgeous colors in the paper? So these are brighter pink, where the vintage pink that you're gonna see is more toned down. But here's just some fun ways to make really fun that can end up being really cool little junk journals and gifts. And I did put on some of the glitter glue and it looks beautiful on there. Can you kind of see that? And then I decided last year, I'm going to show you all the fun things you could possibly make from one kit. And that's what this whole stack of stuff is. There was a big postcard in there, so I turned it into a card. And then this all comes in the kit. Here's another card. Just adding some fun fibers on the back, season's greetings. You can make a ton of cards with the Pretty in Pink kit, okay? And there's another one that I made. Here's another little mini journal. Isn't that gorgeous? That just came out so pretty. And then here's another one. I was having fun making all this stuff. And then I made 2 tall cards because there's some tall vertical papers in the Pretty in Pink kit. And then there's the last one that I made last year from that kit. Okay, let me show you the newest kit that is in my Etsy shop. Now remember, I have 2 shops now. I have Etsy, which I've always had, and I have Ko-fi. And so this is in my Etsy shop. And I just called it Vintage Pink Christmas, but I think you're going to really, really like it. It's 34 pages. And what I decided to do was take those gorgeous vintage graphics that I put a few in the ABC kit, and I made 2 pages like this. Now, I want to just explain them to you. Sometimes when you get graphics, if you have a vertical paper and you just put one on here, the design is so huge. I just don't see anybody doing a project like that. So I ended up making them little half pages because it's the perfect size to do little mini Christmas journals. So look at all the fun things that we have in this whole kit. So you're getting lots more of these graphics. See how darling. They're so cute. Let's get some snowmen in there. Another snowman, another snowman, and a gingerbread house. And then I made some fun background pages to just coordinate. And so I used the same thought process of what would I have in my pink parfait kit, which, by the way, is on sale today. If you want to get it, it's 25% off today only. And so I just added some of these fun things, but I added some little, the girls and the presents and the 25th. So these would be nice to make another little journal. I'm probably going to have to make another journal now because I have this whole pink kit. Aren't these pages just stunning? I'm so happy with this. And then I love the contrast when you use ledger pages. So I made us some pinky peachy colored ones. So you get 4, 5, 6 of those. And then you get 103 pieces of pink ephemera. So all these are just little, tags you can stick in there. Here's fussy cuts, more fussy cuts, Santa, the letter C for Christmas. And I print all this on 65-pound cardstock is what I found that I really like. Let's see, it's Neenah brand, Neenah. I'm pretty sure I have the link in my Amazon shop. More gorgeous ephemera, even we included some little angels, some little tiny fun tags about, hot cocoa and things like that. Some more fussy cuts and just some more little tags that you can stick in. More, just some pretty graphics that you can use. And I've included some nutcracker guys. And then I included 2 little mini envelopes that you can make. And then here's some pockets. Here's 7 cards. And I added some really fun Christmas graphics on them. And then here's just 6 cards that coordinate that you can put anything you want on. And then here's something fun that you can make. And I just showed you that over here. So if you cut it out as one piece, and back it with something, you can end up making this little mini, just a little mini file folder that's a fun insert or can stand alone. You could back the 2 of these together because they're the exact same size or do them separate. So that's what I've included with the pastel pinks. And then I've made some fun little stamps and other postcards, some more graphics. And then I gave you a whole page of word art. So if you print this on sticker paper like I do, this is clear matte sticker paper, then you can just cut those out and add them. So I hope that you enjoy the newest kit, and thank you for the encouragement and liking all of this pink stuff. And as I said, this is now called the Vintage Pink Christmas Kit in my Etsy shop. Don't forget to go to my Ko-fi shop and get your freebie. And then the other thing I just want to remind you is, when junk mail comes to your house, don't just throw it in the trash. Look at it as a treasured piece of paper that can become a template to make a gorgeous junk journal. So that's that one. And then this one came, and again, I almost threw this one away but it was a horizontal, and see how fun that is. And so look, you can even make little mini horizontal junk journals. And all I do is cover the pages in these pieces of junk mail. And here's another one, Trust in the Lord. So I hope that I have inspired you to look at junk mail very differently, to get excited, and to dive in, and maybe you're interested in making a pink Christmas kit this year. This would make a wonderful little journal. You could use this for December daily if you were doing it. It'd be a wonderful gift if you want to make it to somebody, just as a keepsake for them to have. And I just love the soft, pink colors. It just gives a different vibe for Christmas. So please like this video. Please share this video. I hope that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you sign up to be notified on my Ko-fi shop as well as my Etsy shop, because for the rest of the month of December, I'm going to be offering one item from my Etsy shop on sale every day. So if you sign up to get alerts, you'll get an alert, and it might be a kit that you would just really be happy to save 25% on and make as a gift for yourself, as a gift for someone else, or maybe a little junk journal for you. Till next time, blessings.